Welcome to Top Pro Digital Mixer tutorial. Now you have configured your digital mixers. The first thing you need to make sure is your audio signal from the inputs can be routed to the main and the aux. So today I will teach you how to route all the signals to the main and the aux. So we have all the channels here. You just press whatever channel that you want to do the routing, and you can go to under assign, you can press this or this button. So once you are in this page, you can press the main to send to the routing, or you can press the physical button of this assign to main to turn on and turn off the routing to the main. So if you want to send the signals to the aux, so we can select the aux 1 to 4 here or 5 to 8 here. So we can select the signal to be post signal or pre signal. So let's say we want to send to aux 1, you need to select here and rotate this knob to 0 dB. Either way, you can use this to control your send to aux. So if you want to send to aux 2, you can control from here, and so on and so forth. So if you want to send to aux 5 to 8, just press here and you turn to 5 to 8. So this is how we send the signal from the input to the main or to the aux. So that's all for today, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.